Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best 4K TVs in the market for 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these 4K TVs. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 5, LG CX, best for gaming. By this point there's no question whether OLED-based TVs have the best picture quality availability. Do in my opinion, they're definitely worth the extra money. Compared to other high-ends, the only question that matters is if you can afford an OLED. Which one should you buy? The answer is simple. You can't find a better one than LG's. Despite its agreeable price tag and smaller size, it delivers by far the most pristine picture I've ever seen on a television screen. 48-inch thing offers a 3840 by 2160 pixel 4K Ultra HD resolution, a native refresh rate of 120Hz and FreeSync G-Sync capability. As among several other features available in its WebOS settings, all of the connections are located at the rear left of the panel, with some facing the rear and others facing the left-hand side. These include 4 ME.IAM 2.1 inputs that support the keyed ME.IAM 2.1 feature reasonably ME.IAM 4K at 120Hz in the ARC. Thanks to its 4 ME.IAM 2.1 ports, the LG CX is better equipped for gaming than any other that can run games in 4K at 120Hz, and its VRR technology, which includes both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, allows for fantastically smooth tier-free performance. Meanwhile, ME.IAM automatically kicks at Vinto. Its low latency game mode and compatible consoles are connected if an Italian amazing TV. If you're a gamer buying guide size and setup, when you're looking into a new, the first thing to check is how much space you've got in your entertainment room. Keep in mind that TV screens are measured diagonally, so when you see it listed as 65 inches, that's the diagonal measurement, not the height or width. Its dimensions can be found on its product page and are often listed in reviews. Most living rooms will do well with a 50-inch or larger, though you can go as big as your entertainment center, and while it will allow resolution, the 4K TVs refers to their resolution. Despite the fact that 4K TVs don't quite have 4000 lines of horizontal resolution, it's actually 3840. The term is easier to remember and say than its other names like 2160p 4K Ultra HD or simply whatever you call it. It's the current standard for the number of pixels you set to create the on-screen image. HDR is short for high dynamic range, and as far as we're concerned, when it's done right, it's a much more impressive change to overall picture quality than resolution alligator makes images. Number 4, Hisense H8 grams, best budget option. At first glance, the all-black Hisense Quantum series appears as slender as most modern TV HDR sets, though it's a bit deceiving. The unit measures 57 by 32.9 by 3.1 inches with its backport field chassis protruding from the bottom half of the frame and the base speaker case adding visibility. The H8 grams is an Android TV and comes with lots of apps and smart features, including pre-installed video streaming apps for Amazon Prime Video, Google Play Video, Netflix, Pluto Sports, Now Vudu, and YouTube. Additionally, you can access the Google Play Store to download dozens of games and news, sports, education, fitness, lifestyle and entertainment apps. The HE is a Quantum TV that uses Hisense OLED technology to deliver 4K video with a 240Hz motion Radeon 90 zone full array local dimming. It supports the HDR10 and Dolby Vision high dynamic range or HDR video formats to include solid color and contrast performance. A robust feature set and an affordable price make the Hisense a solid choice for anyone shopping for a 4K. The Hisense 65 H8 grams 4K HDR offers very good all-round performance and lots of Android apps for a reasonable price. Number THREE TCL 65 R635, best for the money. The TCL6 Arias Roku TV R635 is the 2020 version of TCL Superb 6 series model lineage of the best value TVs on the market for several years running. Has outfitted this mid-range set with more premium features than ever, enhancing the display with quantum enhancement and mini LED backlighting and backing it all with their best video processor. To data TV offers one of the best implementations of Roku TV you can buy and includes voice search with a microphone built right into the remote for super convenient use. Of TCL6 series is Number 3, TCL 65 R635, best for the money. The TCL6 Arias Roku TV R635 is the 2020 version of TCL Superb 6 series model lineage of the best value TVs on the market for several years running. Has outfitted this mid-range set with more premium features than ever, enhancing the display with quantum enhancement and mini LED backlighting and backing it all with their best video processor to data the TV, offers one of the best implementations of Roku TV. You can buy and includes voice search with a microphone built right into the remote for super convenient use of the TCL-6 series. Is relatively slim, measuring 2.8 inches at its thickest point but narrowing down to just 1 inch thick around the outside bezel. Design is actually a little boxy button line, with past TCL designated, emphasizes the display very well with a frame-like bezel and chassis that's covered in what looks to be brushed metal on the back right hand side of the TCL-6 series. You'll find a collection of ports gathered in a single easy to reach panel set 5 inches from the edge of the rear. You'll find 4 ME.IAM ports. A coaxial connection for ME.IAM features the never referencing the display with quantum enhancement and mini LED backlighting, and backing it all with their best video processor to data the TV offers one of the best implementations of Roku TV you can buy and includes voice search with a microphone built right into the remote for super convenient use of the TCL-6 series. Is relatively slim, measuring 2.8 inches at its thickest point but narrowing down to just 1 inch thick around the outside bezel. Design is actually a little boxy button line with past TCL designated, emphasizes the display very well with a frame-like bezel and chassis that's covered in what looks to be brushed metal on the back right hand side of the TCL-6 series. You'll find a collection of ports gathered in a single easy to reach panel set 5 inches from the edge of the rear. You'll find 4 ME.IAM ports, a coaxial connection for cable or antennas, single US port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a digital optical Toslink connection and a small input connection for a set that's defined as Number 2. Samsung Q8 Best Multi-Purpose. The Samsung Q8 QLED TV is the new jumping on point. If you want the cheapest full array backlight LED in the Samsung TV 2020 range, it's inevitable that the Q8 which features unfold or full array local dimming backlight is not going to be the slimmest flat screen on the shelf, but for most buyers the extra bulk is going to be worth it. Samsung designers have gone some way to mitigating this extra depth by framing the panel with a ridiculously minimal bezel, creating the illusion that pictures are magically hanging in the air. Connectivity is excellent too, with firmware that offer advanced and varying specifications, rounding things out to 2 US ports, digital optical audio out Ethernet to support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and a common interface slot for all those territories which require and you almost certainly won't need everything on offer, but it's nice to have them in reserve. The Samsung Q8 is a great for most uses. It delivers a stunning picture quality with its great contrast rate and fast response time. Its high peak brightness and outstanding reflection handling make it suitable for viewing in bright rooms, and it also performs well in dark rooms thanks to its great contrast ratio and full array local dimmings. Low input lag and VRR support should keep gamers happy. However, there's a bit of dirty screen effect that can be distracting when watching sport. Number 1. Sony A8H Best runner-up. Sony A8H OLED is an excellent that delivers incredible picture quality and manages to improve upon its predecessor, the Sony A8 Gold. Its OLED panel can turn off pixels individually to produce perfect blacks with an infinite contrast ratio, which is ideal for watching movies in a dark room. It has exceptional reflection handling and gets decently bright, so it's suitable for moderately lit rooms as well. Its viewing angles are excellent, so you don't have to worry about less image accuracy when watching from an angle. It also has a near instantaneous response time and a low input lag. That said, the lack of variable refresh rate or VRR technology may disappoint more serious gamers like OLEDs. It has a risk of permanent burning, although it shouldn't be an issue for people who watch a variety of content. Its Android TV platform is easy to use and runs smoothly, and there are countless apps for all your needs available at the press of a button in the Google Play Store. The Sony A8 is an amazing TV for watching sports. It has fantastic motion handling